Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the show. We are just putting her in gear this fine morning. Yeah, right, fine morning. Oh well, at least it's okay. It's not raining anymore. It's not snowing, but it is crazy windy this morning. I was just checking it here, and it's 87 kilometers an hour gusting winds coming out of the west. Which, I guess in all reality, that ain't too terribly bad for me. Because I'll be heading east, right? So it'll be kind of pushing me for the most part, right? So mostly come from behind me, which that is really nice. Yep. So, let's get our day started, guys. Appreciate you guys tuning in. I really do. And let's make the best of it, right? Yeah, that's what I always say. We only have 41 miles to go, so
take the entrance to the left on I-80 East, I-94 East.
Should be a fairly easy day for me today. That's what I suspect anyways. We'll see how it goes, but we'll be leaving Chicagoland here in a very few minutes. We'll be out of it pretty much. Well, we're kind of on the edge already, but we'll be completely out of it here in a minute. This is getting the red here for the turn. All right, I guess we'll have to wait for the light to change again. Even these lights up here and everything is just shaking like crazy. Here we go, guys. We have just entered into Ohio. Yep, that's right. And apparently Ohio, they put some sort of ban on certain vehicles of traveling through this turnpike today. Reason being is because of high winds, and that's what I was saying earlier, right? It's we got pretty high winds, right? But right now it looks like we're doing okay. It feels like it's calmed down a little bit, and so I think we might be all right anyways. I see a lot of other trucks traveling up here too, so I'm sure we're alright. But anyways, I figured I'd turn on the camera and show you guys a little bit on what it's doing. We're still getting a little bit of mix of stuff. Right now it's more rain than anything, but just as I came up to the toll booth, it was actually starting to snow a little bit. And it is right around that freezing point. It's like 0 degrees right now, Celsius obviously, which is 32 Fahrenheit. I know that for sure. Yep. But anyways, we're just giving her. I'm gonna probably go up to Prairiesburg, Ohio, and there's a Love's truck stop there. I'll probably go in there, and I might get fuel in there. I'm not sure. I might not. But I am definitely going to go get me a shower because I fueled up yesterday evening, and so I'm gonna go in there and just get me a shower, take me my half an hour break, and probably warm me something up in the microwave, get me a bite to eat, and then we'll go ahead and continue on making it towards Pittsburgh. I was just checking it out there a little while ago, and looks like there ain't nothing around that area to park at, so we might actually have to park in Ohio tonight, because I was looking at it there on 76. There ain't nothing to all the way to Pittsburgh. Unless I can go all the way to the customer, I might give that a chance or a try, but I don't know. We'll have to see. What time is it? Lunchtime. Yeah. Let's take a look, guys. Yes, it is lunchtime. And I got my shower bag ready to go. Soon as I am done eating lunch here, I'll be going in and taking me a shower. I'm just kind of taking my half an hour break, and I'm super hungry. I haven't had anything to eat yet today, so let's have lunch and take a shower and get back on the road, guys.
Here we go, guys. Time for a shower. Yeah, guys. Let's check this out. I got a pretty nice shower in my opinion. Look at that. That is very, very nice. Nice, fairly big size in here as well. So let's go ahead and have us a good shower, guys.
Just finished our shower, guys. Man, that feels good. And now we gotta get back on the road again, unfortunately. Yeah, it's really, really, really super windy today, but what can I say? I'm gonna try and do it anyways. Luckily for me, I have a fairly heavy load, about 40,000 pounds anyways. So I should be alright, especially since the wind is coming out of the west and I'm traveling mostly east. I know a little bit of northeast every once in a while, a little bit of south a little bit, but for the most part I'll be traveling east, right? So I'm hoping that I'll be alright. Only thing is I'm not 100% sure if I can park at the customer. I've been looking at it and it looks like I should be alright, but then again I don't know for sure, right? I am not 100%. I'm kind of debating on whether or not I'm going to go all the way to the customer or if I'm going to park it up here in Ohio somewhere yet, because as soon as I enter Pennsylvania, it's too late. There ain't nothing to park anywhere, but then again, I wouldn't mind going straight to the customer, and that way I'm there. I don't have to worry about nothing. Get me offloaded, and then that way I know I'm good to go, right? I'm just kind of hoping that the wind will die down tomorrow morning, because then I'll be empty, right? And then I gotta try and get over to my customer and get my reload on. I'm not sure how heavy that load is going to be yet, so I will have to wait and see tomorrow. But anyhow, let's get back on the interstate and head on east, down and bound we go. You guys can probably tell, like you can even probably hear a little bit of a wind, and you can see it in the trees, and the truck is rocking back and forth, and yeah, it's definitely windy, that's for sure. Pulled into a rest area, guys, and this is the last rest area basically before I get to the customer. So I wanted to make sure that I took care of all the necessary things, like using the bathroom and all that fun stuff. Yeah, we got an exit over there. That's what it looks like anyways. And so I decided I'm going to give it a try and get to the customer.
In 0.2 miles, make a U-turn if
And
possible. State border ahead.
in the hopes that we can park there for the night, right? That's kind of what I'm planning on.
Continue
As you guys
on
just
this road
heard
for
the
5 miles.
GPS saying that
Turbulent ahead.
we're very close to the border, right? Basically, we're almost in Pennsylvania. We're about to leave Ohio. Yeah, I don't mind that. But yeah, we got another 57 more miles to go, and we'll be at our customer. I took another good look at it on Google Map. Looks like I should be fine. I've been kind of looking at it there, and looks like I don't see any gate or anything like that, no fences or anything like that around their property, so I think I should be alright going in there and parking there for the night. So we'll give it a try and see what happens, right? But it looks like we're gonna have to go ahead and pay a toll, I guess, before we get into PA, which that's to be expected. I guess that's the exit toll for Ohio. But anyways, it's kind of, I don't want to say snowing, but light flurries or something in the air anyway. So I figured, you know what, I'm just gonna go over to the customer. That way I'm there if I can park there really, and I don't have to worry about nothing, right? Then I'm good to go. So let's go ahead and go through this toll plaza, take care of our toll, and continue on cruising along here. And I see some flashing lights up there. I guess the cop's got himself a capture or something. At least that's what it's looking like. Come to a stop at all lanes. He's in one of those lanes that they closed, but I'm gonna go all the way to the right up here. That's where they have the easy pass lanes, right? I'm gonna go all the way to the outside here. That way I don't have nothing to worry about. Maybe he's just sitting in there chatting with somebody in there. Maybe they're might be their spouse, or who knows, right? You never know. It might be one of their partners that they're just kind of taking a little break with. And there we go. Our easy pass worked, so we're good to go. So let's hammer down, guys, and continue on to our customer. As soon as I got here to my customer, guys, I recognized, yeah, I have been here before. Yeah, it's a little bit of a tight place, and but we managed to park here, and so we are done for today, guys. We really are. So let's see how windy this is going to be overnight. I'm really hoping I'm going to be able to sleep. But anyways, that's it for us today, guys. Let's go ahead and get out of here. Start a new vlog tomorrow. Appreciate you guys watching. I will see you back here tomorrow. Have a great day, everybody.